Hi guys, I'm gonna show you like the wristband trend, like doing like this, like doing like that. I'm gonna show you because everyone requests a tutorial with it. I'm gonna do it like this, like the bottom, like that. It will never work. You just you need to do that. It will never work. That if you do a high space like this, you leave it like a high space. Okay, like this high, like high like this, like this. First, put this finger over here, tapos there, tapos toyo. Just that's easy. I'm gonna show you at slow mo. Right, this is the very slow. Put the finger here. Then just push here, 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 do the I really like it at ano, yan tapos tulog na, tapos ganyan, 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 ulit. Guys, I'm gonna send because they change like that. You know, the 60 minutes to the 3 hours. Like this. Okay guys, if you love this video, like and subscribe and like a comment and show more new hacks for the day. But that's all it for today. If you like more hacks like this, just tag me on Facebook, Messenger, like